welcome to another vlog. So where do you find me today? I'm somewhere new. I came scouting a location and it's just perfect, absolutely magical. Let me just show you what's behind me. So that's Rutter Force, that waterfall, and then that water wheel as well. And I'm absolutely loving that. I just stumbled across it searching on Google Maps, and yeah, I'm on my way to Lake District, and I just thought I'd stop off at T-Bay Services for a quick pee and something to eat, and I thought I'd see if I could find this place. It's only about 10 minutes from the services, so wow, what a great location. Looking really nice in that late spring sunshine. So we're gonna go climb down into the water, get nice and low, see if we can get some reflections, and see what we can make of it. So come on then, join me, see what we can do. So that shot down in the water's in the bag. So I'm just trying to see if we can get a little bit closer to the waterfall. It's private land on one bank. There's a sign showing it. It looks like there's a little footpath through the woods. So we're just going to follow that, see if it leads us to where we need to go. Just a short video this week as I had a few technical issues. So thanks for watching, and if you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe. And until next time, I'll be seeing you.